G18 Global Walkie-Talkie Usage Guide. Before starting up, it is necessary to insert the SIM card into the walkie-talkie. Open the lock, insert the SIM card, close the lock, install the battery, and long press the return button to turn on the device. The following is the download QR code for the app Audmaster used in conjunction with G18. You need to register an account. You can choose by email. Log in without any verification required. Click on Devices. Select G18 and scan the QR code on the screen after booting up. You can customize the name of the device. Finally, click OK to complete the activation of G18. The next step is to create a custom group. You can choose to add friends from the top right corner. Click on Create Group. Enter group name. At the same time as creation, you can choose to invite friends to join. Then enter the group. Finally, import the group to G18. Side shortcut key 1 can quickly select groups. Press and hold the PTT key to start to talk. Meanwhile, you can also use your phone to call the walkie-talkie. Side shortcut key 2 allows you to choose to call a member individually. After selection, press the PTT key briefly to confirm. Alternatively, you can choose to call multiple members. The operation method is the same as a single call.